Look at that. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. Hey Alexander, Jai Shri Ram.
Dream machine, a racing queen. You make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen. You make my heart beat. You make my heart beat.
तो एलेक्सा जब इंडिया आ रही थी तो लाइक हर कॉर्नर के साथ जो होता है कुछ गाइडलाइंस होती हैं। देन मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया लास्ट ब्लॉग में भी देखा था आपने, एक गलत इमेज इंडिया की पोर्ट्रेट करता है, स्पेशली यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ में। तो इसके पेरेंट्स बहुत डरे हुए थे, तो उसके फ्रेंड्स इसे मना कर रहे थे कि डोंट विजिट इंडिया, राइट?
Yeah.
डोंट विजिट।
My mom was so upset. My mom was so sad because I came from Spain and have beside me 7,000 kilometers. So scared what will happen with her,
इन इंडिया
with his.
Why India particularly? Why India?
Because of the propaganda, because of everything European, American people see in the TV, no?
So you're saying it's a propaganda
Yeah, it's
against India?
Yeah, it's everything propaganda.
By the mainstream media
Exactly.
in European countries.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So we think that here.
So they want to ruin the image of India
Yeah,
so that less people travel here.
of course. Not on.
Even the young girls are working in shops here, like, you know,
Yeah.
how hard they work. So just
So look, nobody's moving her.
it's her territory. Like in India, they are the most holy animals. We pray them,
Yeah, I
we
know.
treat them like gods.
I know.
So nobody's gonna move her from here.
Nobody.
It's her territory. It's like, you know, look at this. She's relaxing there.
And
How amazing.
They are not dangerous. You can handle them.
Most of them, they are not. Look at her. How calmly she's sitting there.
How peaceful is.
Okay, safety first. The second thing, which foreigners think about India, is like it's a poor country, right?
Yeah, it's a poor country.
Now, I'm not saying India is the richest country. Poverty is there. But now India is growing economically as well.
Yeah.
We are gonna soon be the third biggest economic power in the world.
What is the main industry here? Agriculture, no?
Agriculture and technology is growing as well, as I said.
Technology.
Indians,
It will change a lot of things.
Exactly, and then a lot of Indians are working in these big techno companies in foreign countries, like in America. And
No? Like in Google, like in Macintosh.
a poor girl standing right next to her door is not India. I mean, I'm not saying poverty is not there, crime is not there. I'm saying it's not exactly right the way mainstream media is representing it in European countries. Let's go by this way. This is a small ashram. That's the Babaji who live here.
Wow,
So
I like it.
he lives here peacefully. What a beautiful place this is.
Yeah. So I arrived in Dehradun, no, in Jolly Grant. From Jolly to Rishikesh. I
Jolly
saw-
Grant. Jolly is Jolly
Jolly
Grant.
Grant. I saw only one traffic light, and I was like, how is this possible? They don't have a traffic light.
तो शी सेइंग जॉली ग्रांट एयरपोर्ट को उतरी, वो वहाँ से जब यहाँ ऋषिकेश आई तो उसको एक ही ट्रैफिक लाइट दिखी। तो मैंने इसे बोला कि भाई देहरादून आओ आप, वहाँ आपको हर चौराहे पे ट्रैफिक लाइट दिखेगी। ऋषिकेश हैज लेस ट्रैफिक लाइट।
No, there is no traffic light.
What were you saying? How did you see that cop, that those guys kicking
I
those?
saw the video how the guys from motorbike, the cops wanted to stop them. No.
How were they
The
kicking?
guys was like
They were kicking.
kicking like
Get lost.
we won't stop.
जैसे हमारे यहाँ ट्रैफिक लाइट्स पे होता है ना, वो पुलिस वालों को लात मार के भाग जाते हैं, वही इसने देख लिया कहीं पे। तो भाई अब मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है भाई, क्या बोलूँ। All together, what I'm trying to say is, I mean, we should follow traffic rules. हमेशा traffic rules follow करें। Like हम यहाँ से लेन से अंदर आए, तो it was kind of jungle, right? And she was concerned about that incident actually, जो वो रेप हुआ था Spanish
Yeah,
blogger का।
actually the whole Spain talk about that. No.
But tell
It
me
was
one thing,
like
you are with a
breaking
stranger,
news.
Alexander. You're with a stranger in this jungle. How are you feeling right now? You are
Exactly.
trusting
So,
me.
I'm, of course, like you said, I have a concern and everything.
Yes. But then again, it depends upon
I
the
don't know
person.
where we are going right
But you trust
now.
me. Why you trust me? Because why you trust me? Because I don't have bad intentions.
I hope so. No, I can know that.
You will know that.
100%.
You will know that once we'll reach at the end of the day.
It's about energy, no? I think, I believe in people. First of all, I believe in people.
Then few people break your trust,
And,
and then few people are there who to keep your trust. And I
Yeah.
am the person who is gonna keep your trust, so don't worry. And that's what I'm saying. So that Spanish couple, they were वो एक जंगल में रात बिताने गए थे. वो ऐसी कोई जगह थी, उन्हें कुछ लोगों ने वहाँ घुसते हुए देख लिया था, एंड जस्ट उसके बाद वो इंसिडेंट हुआ था. But let me tell you the moral of the story is when the Spanish couple left India, they were telling those people were bad, but not every Indian is like that. And that's what I always say. It's about the person, not the place.
yeah.
Sometimes you trust the wrong person, you know, and sometimes you trust the right person. So Alexandra is gonna know once we cross the lane if she's with the right person or the wrong person.
Yeah. Taking the map.
So finally, Alexandra, you're safe, and
I'm safe.
we crossed the lane. How are you feeling now?
I feel amazing. So my question was, you have people in charge who are picking up the trash, and,
We have these sort of institutions. वो कचरा उठाने वाली जो
and they
गाड़ियाँ
are
आती हैं,
working their job or no?
they do,
They do?
but sometimes they don't work
For a long
the way they should. Exactly. But no, the problem is not with the institution. See, no institution can help you if you yourself are not
aware, no?
aware. मैं एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग इंसिडेंट बताता हूँ. मेरी एक फॉरेन फ्रेंड थी, लिथुआनिया से है वो, उसके साथ ब्लॉग आएगा मेरा. वी वर हैविंग आइसक्रीम आई गेस, एंड द रैपर आई जस्ट थ्रू द रैपर just like this, and she just stopped me from doing that. She was like, don't throw this just like this, this is not right,
Yeah, exactly.
you know this is not right. तो जब तक हमको वो पिन नहीं मिल गया ना कहीं वो ट्रैश फेंकने के लिए, मैंने उसे फेंका नहीं, उसने मुझे फेंकने ही नहीं दिया. And I think people should be aware of, like, look at this,
Yeah,
this is a
everywhere
public
is
place, you know,
just-
you're parking the guy
Everywhere
car
is
here and
just-
the houses are here.
We are not different from Indian people. We are all the same, no?
Exactly.
But what happened in Europe? We got punished.
Funny.
If I'm throwing away my
Trash.
trash, somebody see me, I will be punished.
See,
For that
तो ये कह रही है कि इनकी
for-
कंट्री पे फाइन लगता है अगर किसी पब्लिक प्लेस पे किसी ने देख लिया इनको ट्रैश फेंकते हुए. हमारे यहाँ कोई फाइन नहीं है. So it's all about the public awareness. So you know what this place is? That bridge is Ramjula. That is Ramjula.
I saw that on the videos.
Yeah. तो ये पब्लिक ब्लॉगिंग स्किल्स दिखा रहे हैं हम. पूरी पब्लिक है यहाँ पे. आपका भाई कॉर्नर के साथ, फुल कॉन्फिडेंट, नॉट केयरिंग अबाउट द जजमेंट ऑफ पीपल.
Flashing behind me.
Look at her. Look at me. Good. Looking good at you. How cute she is looking with this tika. So this is Ramjula market. I'm feeling like I'm with my childhood friend. My childhood friend. I found my childhood friend here. And I'm really grateful for her because for her little trust. And I'm trying my best to keep her trust.
Oh, thank you.
एंड थैंक्स फॉर द ट्रीट. मैंने सोचा था मैं ट्रीट दूंगा इसको, वहाँ पे जाम कैफे में गए थे, बट शी डिडंट अलाउ मी टू पे द मनी. सो शी इज़ वेरी नाइस.
Yeah, I invite you, no? Let's take a coffee because I didn't have a coffee from the morning.
कीप वॉकिंग.
Down, break the speed of sound. Tonight we all know.
ब्रो हमारे साथ पाजी है. पाजी ये मेरी फ्रेंड है.
I'm from Serbia.
Alexandra.
Oh, very nice. And you're from?
I'm a local guy.
Okay, you're a local guy. So you're
I'm-
exploring with her or?
Yes, I'm a YouTuber actually.
YouTuber.
I make YouTube videos. She's your sister?
Yeah.
Nice.
So I'm shooting a vlog with her. तो इसने मुझे पूछा था टर्बन पहनने से क्या मतलब, क्यों नहीं पहनेंगे तो क्या?
It is a symbol.
सिंबल.
It was given by our gurus.
हाँ हाँ.
It represents that we are Sikhs.
You're 6.
Basically, I'm from Hindu religion and he's from Sikhism. Together, we both are representing India. So
This is nice. This is your helicopter.
Yeah,
This is your
fan.
fan.
I loved it.
अपना नाम बताओ.
There's a very
मेरा हिम्मत सिंह.
हिम्मत सिंह.
हिम्मत सिंह.
बहुत हिम्मत है. तुम्हारा?
Muskan.
मुस्कान. दो यहाँ.
कल
2 दिन हो गए अब.
अभी हो यहाँ पे.
We have explored Haridwar,
हाँ.
Ganga, and all the
वो
mandirs.
गुरुद्वारे गए थे वो जो मार्केट में.
नहीं.
अरे
जाना है, we are
मार्केट में
going to-
अच्छा गुरुद्वारा है वो, जाना होता. थैंक यू सो मच. इसने मुझे एक्चुअली पूछा कि वाई दे आर वेयरिंग दिस नाउ.
Kavidas.
दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर गंगा आरती दे परफॉर्म. कम.
Flashing behind me.
Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva, founder of the
Yeah, I know.
So look, these people enjoying in Ganga.
Slow us down, break the speed of sound. Tonight we all are racing. Train machine, a racing queen. You make my heart.
Alexandra, you're already a celebrity.
Yeah.
Tell me your experience of these selfies.
I feel like, you know, like
Look at that. Jai Shri Ram.
beautiful.
Jai Shri Ram. Say Alexandra, Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
So he's Lord Hanumana, the devotee of Lord Rama. He's the greatest devotee of Lord Rama. So wait, this is the symbolic representation of Ramayana. Do you know the story?
No, I don't know. the
Ramayana
story.
is the greatest story of India. The epic story of win of good over evil. The greatest love story of India.
Who will?
Ramayana. Lord Rama.
Okay.
You wanna go? Let's slow us down, break
भाई ये हिमेश रेशमिया नहीं मानेगा.
the speed of sound. Tonight we all are racing. Train machine, a racing queen. You make my heart beat. You make my heart.
Do you think if I enjoy the bath like them, I won't got infection?
No. Why would you get infection? Look at these people. This is the purest river of India, Ma Ganga. We don't call it a river. We call it
Mother.
Mother. It's Mother Ganga. Look at the statue. Jai Shri Ram. Alexandra, Jai Shri Ram.
Take one picture.
Yes, okay. Miss Celebrity, tell me your experience of having those selfies with those guys out there.
Wow,
I
it's
feel
a
like an
good experience. I told you, I feel like a bear.
So अभी हम परमार्थ निकेतन में आए भाई. गर्मी भयंकर हो रही है. भीड़ अभी भी कम हुई है लेकिन उतनी कम नहीं हुई है. और हमने ये जगह छोटी सी ढूंढी है बैठने के लिए, सो दैट गर्मी से थोड़ा राहत मिले. वो तरबूज शेक तो पसीने में निकल. तो यहाँ पे परमार्थ निकेतन में ऐसी बहुत सारी छाया पे आपको बैठने की जगह मिल जाएंगी. इधर तो धूप है लेकिन कोनों कॉर्नर्स में ये पेड़ लगे हुए हैं. तो ये फ़ायदा है पेड़ों का. पेड़ लगाओ. Alexandra इज कॉलिंग अ बॉयफ्रेंड. वो उसे इंडिया दिखाना चाहती है तो वो उसे वीडियो कॉल कर रही है. हेलो, व्हाट्स हिज नेम?
His name is Jorge.
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 Jorge, hi. Hello from India.
Wait. Look
He's Jorge.
what they put me. And he's
Hi, I'm a
a
vlogger.
vlogger.
I'm a YouTuber.
He's a YouTuber.
You're driving? You're driving.
No, he's not driving. He's in the bus.
Okay. She's safe. She's enjoying India. Do visit India with her next time. Okay?
Visit India with me.
Next time. I'll meet you. Brother.
He's such a good guy. Yes, sir.
So, Alexandra अभी भी अपने बॉयफ्रेंड से बात कर रही है भाई. इसके बाद उसको एक सिम दिलाना है बिकॉज लोकल सिम की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. How are you feeling after talking to your boyfriend? Is he feeling like relaxed now? Like you're
Yeah,
safe?
I'm relaxed because
To foreigner. Meet the foreigner. किसको देखने भी foreigner. People want to see foreigners all the time in my videos. So foreigner आपके लिए हाजिर है और foreigners आती रहेंगे मेरे videos में. Daily vlogs भी आएंगे, family vlogs भी आएंगे.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby.
So I told Alexandra that my motive through these vlogs is not only to know the different cultures and let them know about Indian culture, but to build the trust which people are losing. Like, you know, I want people whom I meet, at least people whom I meet, to understand that if there are bad people with bad intentions, then there are, I'm not saying I'm good, but people whom you can trust, right?
yeah.
I am telling you one thing, if your intentions are not bad and if you are comfortable with the person, even two friends can walk like this, you know. Two
Yeah.
best friends can walk like this as
Of
well.
course.
So it's not like I'm doing something bad. So please don't judge me just because I do things like this. I'm not trying to be cool. Okay? It's just that I am just like this. I'm friendly, outgoing and confident. And if I find someone else, I treat them as a friend, you know. It's upon your mentality if you judge me. So these guys are very smart. They are traveling alone the whole world. What do you think? These guys are cool. Like they would just like do whatever I want them to do. It's not like that.
Yeah.
So it's common sense, you know. तो हमने पता किया इधर कोई वशिष्ठ होटल है, वहाँ पे एक सिम शॉप है, तो अभी हम उधर ही जा रहे हैं. You should look at Lord Shiva. You want me to take a picture? I can take a picture. You want me to?
Yeah.
Stand there.
Got that V8 engine with a fuel injection.
ये शॉप अभी बंद है, मैंने फ़ोन किया, भाई साहब आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे सिम लेंगे अलेक्जेंडर के लिए। तब तक अलेक्जेंडर को मैं हिंदी सिखा रहा हूँ। सो चंदू के चाचा ने, चंगू नहीं चंदू, चंदू के चाचा ने,
Okay, what is that?
I'll explain later. चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चंदू इज माई फ्रेंड।
Chandu is my friend.
No, Chandu is-
Chandu, my friend. Chandu.
कम आगे भाई साहब सिम लेना। ओह, भाई साहब ने आसरा दिया है ठंड में यार, बहुत भयंकर गर्म हो रहा है वहाँ पे। इट्स सो रिलैक्स, यहाँ पे राहत मिल रही है, बस ऊपर पंखा चल रहा है। लेट्स गो। आईडी कार्ड, हाँ
Passport, just my passport.
I don't have passport here. It's in my room. They called me.
तो हमने सिम कार्ड वाले से बात कर ली है। अलेक्जेंड्रा का सिम मिल जाएगा, उसे शाम तक मिल जाएगा। तो इट्स टाइम टू से गुड बाय टू अलेक्जेंड्रा। अभी इसको लंच करने जाना है, बट यहाँ गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है। इसके ग्रुप में से मिलना है जहाँ ये रुकी हुई है वहाँ पे। आई टोल्ड लाइक यू नो वी आर नाउ friends for life, Alexandra.
Yeah, exactly.
And I told her like initially she was not ready for the video, but I told her now she's gonna be really happy about the video, and when she was gonna go back to her country, she's gonna tell them the story of how she met a crazy blogger here, and we
show
recorded
them
the video. Show them the video.
Look
So,
what I live.
Look what I live. This video. That. So रामझूला के पास पहुँच गए हम, यहाँ से मैं निकलूँगा घर, एंड अलेक्जेंड्रा निकलेगी अपने ग्रुप के पास। पहुँच गए हैं ऑलमोस्ट रामझूला के पास, एंड इट्स टाइम टू से गुड बाय। आई होप यू एंजॉयड द वीडियो, एंड फार्मर दिखा दिया आपको। एंजॉय द ब्लॉग एंड सी यू सून, टेक केयर। अलेक्जेंडर, I've got to go towards this way. You have to go straight.
Yeah. Okay.